For the electric, water heaters are pretty standard. Like now, federal regulations are all the same with the amount of insulation they have in it. So you have the same, very similar efficiency rating in electric water heaters. For the electrics, there's really not a big difference between them. And then, like, if you're going into the gas water heaters, if you're looking for like a tax credit energy efficiency, like you want to consider a power vent. So there's two types of gas. The two most common are going to be atmospheric, where it vents through a metal tube that comes off the top, metal pipe. And the other one, it vents off a plastic pipe that goes outside. The one with the plastic pipe is called power vent water heater. The one with the metal pipe is atmospheric, meaning the pipe heats up and it draws the fumes out when it's heating up, byproduct of the gas. And then the power vent actually has a motor where it sucks it out and takes it outside. So if you're looking for, like, in those, if you have a gas water heater, something more efficient, it would be the power vent.